Forgotten username recovery failed on River Financial Fix. If you've forgotten your River Financial username, you might feel stuck, but most people get this wrong. The surprising truth is that River Financial has a straightforward process to restore your account safely using your registered email and identity verification. Step 1. Go to the River Financial login page and click Forgot Username. Enter your registered email. You'll receive an email containing your username or a secure recovery link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, collect your account details such as full name, recent deposits or linked bank account information. River Financial Support can verify your identity and help restore your username. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the recovery email carefully. Check spam or junk folders if it doesn't arrive immediately. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact River Financial Support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the automated system didn't work. Their team will guide you to regain access securely and efficiently. The key takeaway is that a forgotten River Financial username doesn't lock you out permanently. With proper verification, you can recover your account quickly and continue managing your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency portfolio without interruption.